Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you having a car. It could be almost any car, German, Asian, American guys, Ford, Chevy, General Motors, Mercedes, Porsche, Volkswagen, doesn't matter what it is guys. Nissan, Mazda, Toyota, guys, Lexus. Now, if you have hard brake paddle, you apply the brakes, the brake paddle feels hard, weak brakes, okay, you need to apply quite a bit of effort to stop your vehicle. Guys, fix it on time so you don't get in an accident, but it could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that, what we see here in the garage, so all that will be covered guys. By the way, now, come to show you how the brake system works on most vehicles and what to look for. So, for instance, right here, this is the brake fluid reservoir. Underneath you have a brake pump. This is your brake booster. Now on the other side of the brake booster is the brake paddle. So when you apply the brake paddle, the booster amplifies your effort and actually transfer that effort much stronger to the brake pump. Well, that booster is controlled by vacuum, guys. You need vacuum to activate the booster because it has a big membrane inside that's activated by vacuum. And that vacuum is provided by the engine when the engine is running, or some cars have a brake vacuum pump. So you have that line here, okay, going to the brake booster, connected, that's the vacuum line. But check one thing guys, cracked vacuum line, broken vacuum line will be one of the most common things that causes hard brake paddle, weak brakes. This one failed at two different places. Sometimes it can fail even on the way somewhere. And another thing guys, like this one, okay, they have a directional valve, okay, and that lets you blow only one way. Listen up, I cannot go this way, but if I go that way, it works. So guys, as you can see, that directional valve can cause that too. Now, if the line is good, you don't have vacuum leaks, you tested it, your valve is good, okay, some cars will have brake vacuum pump that creates vacuum for the brake booster. It's a big electric motor with a fan, kind of like creating vacuum. But test the pump. After testing the pump, okay, if you take it off the car, it works, but on the car it doesn't work. It could be a bad fuse or a bad relay that you need to check as well guys. But those are some of the most common things we see in the garage. Another thing, it could be brake booster. Personally, we had only one fail. Okay, and I think it was our fault when we replaced the engine on a Jaguar and we were trying to bleed the brakes, we messed it up. But other than that, we never seen a bad booster in our life in 30 years, guys. But 9 out of 10 will be a leaking vacuum line that we'll need to check. Guys, please don't hesitate to let us know if you have any questions. Give a like, subscribe to the channel, help us grow it together. That way we can build a community where we help each other and save each other money. That's our goal here at the garage. Thank you for watching. See you next time.